Check out this 2006 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission, GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Treat yourself to the splendor of a premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day, and memory settings are one of many features. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Call today to schedule a test drive.